What is up, babes, and welcome back to the Chanel. We needed a face beat today. You know what I'm saying? So today I am bringing you this bronzy, glowy, dewy sort of look, and I am here for it. We are living for her. She real cute. So, yeah, I love it. I love a good bronzy look, literally any time of the year. Like for me, I'm like, sis, it don't need to be summer. Like it could be the dead of winter and I'd roll out in this, like for real. I think she's real cute. Honestly, she's a look, she's a vibe, and we are here for her. So yeah, love. I finally waxed my eyebrows today. Praise Jesus. They were looking like 20 kajillion caterpillars like on my eyes. It was not okay. So we're feeling so much better about ourselves. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you. I mean, I literally think this like face like speaks for itself. So cute. And so without further ado, let's get into this bronzy glowy look, and I hope you guys love it. We are going to beat the face because there's nothing else to do. So let's beat it up. Let's go. To prep my skin, I'm using the Advanced Night Repair Serum from Estée Lauder. To get this dewy look, I'm using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and then I'm mixing that in with my foundation, and it's the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation. All right, once that's all blended out, then I'm gonna put on my concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna put at the high points of my face and then set that with a powder. For the eye look, we're going to start with our eyeshadow base, which is my favorite, the Matte Cosmetics Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Okay, for this eye look, we're gonna be doing a really easy cut crease. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is putting a couple of shades in my crease to get it nice and dark and defined. And then I'm gonna go back in with that paint pot and put it on my lid to make sure we have a really sticky surface for the shimmer shade to actually adhere to, and that's gonna give you that really nice cut crease look. So we don't want everything super blended together. We wanna make sure there's still that little cut crease, but this is definitely a softer version of it. Okay, now I have that paint pot back on the lid and some darker colors in the outer corner. Now I'm going to take the shimmer shade and put that right over top where that base is. And because we have that base down, it's going to keep that cut crease in place. you had any fallout. And bronzy, so I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer, which is definitely a little bit more peachy but has a nice shimmer too, so it is super super gorgeous on the cheeks. So I wanted to use a liquid lip, and clearly your girl wasn't feeling it. So then I went back in just with some Tarte, the Shape Tape Concealer just on top to kind of get that more pouty look. It was just a little bit too dark for me. So I'm just gonna blend it out and then put a gloss on top. Alright babes, this is the final look for this little bronze moment we're having, little glowy bronze moment. I hadn't used these Cover FX drops in so long. I forgot how much I really love them. I mean, so bronzy and so glowy. You can definitely put them underneath your foundation and then put the foundation on so it's not as glowy, or you can mix it in like what I did, or you can totally just use them just in the highlighted areas just for like a liquid highlight. And honestly too, when you first put it on, when you first do your foundation, it'll seem a little slick, like she's a little glittery, but once you do your concealer and like then your powder and all that jazz, it definitely calms it down, so then you're not having like, you're not feeling like it's way too like glowy or way too dewy all over. We love the glow over here. She's real cute. Sis is feeling so much better. I mean, obviously the only downside is literally I'm just gonna take it off. It is what it is. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you learned something new, or just, you know, enjoyed watching me beat the face. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or an amazing night, and I will be back shortly with another video. Bye guys.